na MPP si wo mu ye phase 2 asa be de Central Market anase KATIA phase 2 anu ni si esuo na ye wura se wo ba ye dwan awurade obesiesie no fefefe eni de kwa so ye ntie gonja deshe konkron ye wura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
We have a program in our manifesto we call the Market Enhancement Program. If you look in this country, most of the modern markets that exist have been built under NDC administration. A market must be inviting for people to be able to go in and buy. Market must be appetizing. Nobody wants to go into a market which is muddy and go and dirty their feet. And so we have a market enhancement program. We're going to identify key markets across the country. And we're going to modernize those markets, make them very nice so that our mothers and sisters can get a good place to do their trade.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama also oba ye market prices no obesiesie ne fefefe e de aman na ye free NDC chinye amanyokum na ye de yeni so akire APC na opani a okura franka e de ama APC amanyokun eye onumunyamfo Dr. Hassan Ayarga. Dr. Hassan Ayarga say Ghana for munya gidie na monto aba emfama no se munya gidie na se election 2024 moto abama na samo kramo nyoma e de free enkofo aman so e de aba ana samo de ko enkofo aman so a obema na free port eno na Dr. Hassan Ayarga say ode beba e na afi water bay ene light bay no e 10 cedi bosomi a 10 cedi na ubetua eni de kwa so yenti onumanyamfo Dr. Hassan Ayarga okura franka e de ama APC.
When I become president, all of you will bring in your goods. Free duty, no more duty on any commodity. No more duty. I am not coming to promise you anything. I am telling you the policy. This is not a promise.
Including cars.
Including cars. Everything free duty. Totally right here. So the duty free are going to be only 5 taxes in Ghana. That is the port charges, shipping charges, Ghana revenue, the charges, home building income taxes, and the last one are the levies. Every levy, whatever levy it is, will all come under one charge. When in APC, we are going to introduce what is called the flat rate for ECD, flat rate for Ghana water. No more meters.
Any dear kwasu way, aye, onumanyamfo Dr. Hassan Ayarga wono ena ekura franka ediama APC was Ghana for nto abama no no mfa Freeport enso emra na ensema ekoso ewo mrahye bedwafie die eye nyina ya nimsem ene speaker se mrahye bedwafie na wo se watum na eno ena onumanyamfo Dr. Kwaku Ansa Asare enkane wona na director ema Ghana School of Law or the ensembi akwa betudwa se ensema ekoso ewo mrahye bedwafie no eye ensem hunu eye nsem tantan na afa enso kura no Supreme Court enso kura no waje asem na afa no Parliament asem enkenya Supreme Court ena wese ka High Court ena wese ka na Dr. Kwaku Ansa Asare say yemusa Chief Justice Obapa Gertrude Tokono say sanke kapa obi a wese we Chief Justice a ye me ane kire say senior judge o Supreme Court wonum na wo sansamfun we ensem tantan we ya maame Dr. Kwaku Ansa Asare si udi akire no Supreme Court kura no ye ka enkanya na eduru so eni die kwa so yentie Dr. Kwaku Ansa Asare former director Ghana School of Laws ensema waka ediafa ensema ekoso e omrahye bedwafie ho.
Half of all the members of parliament present. Honorable members, we don't have at least half of all the members of parliament present.
For any day kwaso ye hwese ye benya onumonyamfo Dr. Kwaku Ansa Asare video no ede amamo ye gusua ehwede am na onumonyamfo Cynthia Male Morrison ene okopiem agona wesa wono ene emrahye bedwani ene MPP wosu kokroko amanyoko num na obutu omo eka enipa nan akofa ensema ba beto na ache bedwafie no na wose amanfo keka se wono Aguna West kwanten kura wo kɔ no wagyae eno ene ma me Cynthia naale male Morrison se dabi hwan na se magyae minyayo temamufo a ewo Aguna West ene se memra etimi de kwanten kro na amekɔ no mekɔ se mu se pictures bi meni ha NDC MPP fo bi atwatwa pictures a eno nkyerɛ se menko Aguna West mekɔ na ye ma me Cynthia Morrison se wo kɔ bibia ni wa ebetimi esini kwan yentie ye maame no mra sisi ye.
I went to his office. We had a nice conversation. We took pictures as usual. We do pictures all the time in Parliament. By the time I got to like the doctor, people were started calling me that I have rescinded my decision and that I've gone for 60 million or 50 million. I'm like, what is happening? Nothing like that has happened. Nobody has given me any money, and I can say to an authority, you can call my leader and find out from me. I'm on my way to Nyako to do my campaign. Everything is under control. The only thing is I don't want you to drag the party leadership in because nobody has done such thing. So that is what I want you to do. It's not about the leadership. I think it's about, I don't know whether it's a journalist who just do things out of proportion.
So for any day kwaso wey ayo for Cynthia Male Morrison wono ene Aguna West na shebedwani ewo MPP osunu kokroko amanyoku nu edimu sese de omokọ parliamentary primaries no wantimi ani nkunimti wose okọ kwantenkro na opani ba akonso a wono nso hawa ekoso ewo na shebedwafie odimu ntintima ye pa eye onumonyamfo Kwadwo Asante wono nso kopiem ewosuhuma wono na emra shebedwani na sa be de proposal abetunu wono nso se okọ kwantenkro na wono nso pictures anene nama emonten no amanfo se wono kwantenkro a wokọ ewosuhum no wagyae eno no onumanyamfo Kwadwo Asante se obi obeka se kwantenkro na wokọ no wagyae bia no yensi ni hu ebusuafo ni die kwa so yentie onumanyamfo Kwadwo Asante.
Don't go and taking picture and the manipano if you walk away and the way you na me afino jina wa ye onkomo ngi nkomo ni na part so ebe kai ho and I use can say oh say na mujina we ye and then can be jump picture can you that is how if you want to take a picture you can take a picture and many using my part and then afino I was using who use his phone to take the picture. But that is all that I know. It has nothing to do with me that one thing. And I even confronted him. I called him. I said, why also where is this thing coming from? But he told me, he also didn't know where it's coming from. And I don't think the picture that you saw has anything to do with Sylvia, me, my cousin, contest election as an independent candidate next year. Hello. What is your
onumonyamfo Kwadwo Asante ukopiem ewosuhuma wono ene yemra shebedwani wose kwantenkro no enya no krese wagyae wokọ na emom wone MPP fo ni bi ekosiai ene mpanifo no eye na adanko daadadwe eno mo sheda etwa ne picture na emom kwantenkro ne de ogusu a wokọ ni nyina nse temamufo a ewosuhum ena ede wo mo haw abeto na anim se onko ejina emfama wo enam enyuma pa wo bo ede ma temamufo a ewosum na eni die kwa so yenko no yenkotie onumonyamfo Dr. Kwaku Ansa Asare enkane director Emma Ghana School of Law wono so nsema ekoso omna chebedwafie no de waka ede afa ho
nsema ekoso no mama na yo nti aso after the public no mo bo e wo pa so and then no am I issues of interpretation. It's not about that. Study number 1, study number 2, study number 3. You are
for any day kwa so way onumonyamfo Dr. Kwaku Ansa Asare enkane wono na director Emma Ghana School of Law ena nsema ekoso na Shebedwafie ono so ede na no so atumubi na onumonyamfo Franklin Kujo wono so Imani Africa wono so ena yomutitani wono so ensema ekoso na Shebedwafie no wo se ebetwe Ghana akwachiri enti beya na Shebedwafo ni na no wo nyina ano enko bankrom sede beya o my Ghana Mpuntuo betimi akonanim ebusuafo enti onumonyamfo Franklin Kujo.
It's not, I don't even care about that. It's the optics of a country going to a very tight election, and I think it doesn't bode well for our democracy, for parliament to end on this note. So maybe a hot massive, because then if they end on a good note, it sends signals to those peace activists. Everybody say, okay, the parties are conjoined when it comes to promoting democracy. What occasion this matter must be looked into properly. There must be strict party discipline or contested election. That's a if you failure, I don't see the point in saying you want to stand as an independent. But of course, Okona say you're cheating, and now when you have every right to do, and when you do that, resign immediately from the party. I think they should change the laws because it doesn't make sense to me that next year I don't think that makes sense to me.
Any day kwaso wey ayonumunyamfo Franklin Kudwa woye president ma Imani Africa na ode ensembi atudwa se enwoma ekoso ewo mrahye no enya de a eye ade papa eti wone de amanyokuo MPP eni NDC nyina no onumonyamfo Franklin Kudwa se monye enhye papa na waba party aboa amaba ba mrahye bedwani unya eskawie ya wo se de bi party no mintimi ene enye adwuma bio onumonyamfo Franklin Kudwa se party no enye enhye papa ebusuafo na yantoa extra stories covered by Ghana Mpuntuo Tesen microscope no so ema na betimi de wadwenkyere aba WhatsApp message and a normal SMS messenger Fabra 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 for normal SMS message bra and I say WhatsApp message enso bra ubetimi ako Facebook Kumewu TV now the o message aba o message no dey ba make sure say e be polite and matured. Don't forget say the messages in so ba udi udin ebeka ho na yetoa extra stories no so e de amam Major General eye onumonyamfo Bismarck Kwesi ona wono eneye Chief of Defense Staff wadi efutuo ama ninuanom aslafo na afi mrahye na ensema Major General Bismarck kanyina ne say 7 December ye koto aba no se oye bamboni sojani police ni immigration officer na afi ye nsem trofo no enye ho na wokwa okoye MPP ene NDC sem abusuafo yentie Major General Bismarck Kwesi our Chief of Defense Staff.
You perform your duties professionally. What I mean is that they should not allow themselves to be influenced by anybody, whether politicians, whether members of the media fraternity, whether people in the business community. We are not politicians. Yeah. Our role is to defend the constitution. Of the media, you are a very important stakeholder, a very powerful one at that. So you should use your medium to educate, not to misinform or to disinform, and help to make the process peaceful.
For any day kwaso wey Major General Bismarck Kwesi ona ono na Chief of Defense Staff wodi afutuo ama ensem trofo na afi ninuanom bambofo nyina se 7 December abato no ma obi ankoye MPP ene NDC sem wa bra odi ni dwumadie na yewra Bernard Mona wono so nanko pese obeye Ghana mampani na isi ehwe ne nkratem no da bi wose Bernard Mona opa wosi unim embra wo ye kira hodo Ghana hanum udi mu entintima wabo ne captain band no na wo de nkrata ba so obeye Ghana mampani a onkrata no tubi na de abehye ukofa bi firi ha na de abehye ne senti abato komisan ni din firim Bernard Mona anti ase e de court na sabe de court say Bernard Mona tabron a opese ye de to abato commission so say election 2024 no yamfa odi anka ho a etimi mem no court se there be Bernard pe baby etenansa e bia election 2028 we ya onyoma ya na waba na court call asetena wie no Bernard Mona ene nsɛmtwɔfo ekasa ebusuafo yentie no mra sisi
and the issue that was brought to us to it just went round, and I have already instructed my lawyers that this case is not ending here. We'll go to the Supreme Court at the most, so that this matter will be determined, and that is why my lawyer said that they will quickly apply for the judgment based on the study. Of course, we just listen to it. We will study it critically, but I have already instructed them that we have to go to this. I do not think that multi-party democracy should be jettisoned just from the corners of the Electoral Commission without our involvement. Past elections, the Electoral Commission will sit down with the parliamentary and presidential candidates.
Ebusuafo any dey kwaso wey eyo nmunyam for Bernard Mona na okura franka e dey ama PNC amanyoko no na abato commission ehwe ne nkrata mu no enyoma emu e na honom mamemfa baako ensore so yebo a enso mfa extra stories ahodo a aka enso emra na onmunyam for Professor Ajiman Bafodua we government expert papa eba amemu ho hyehye ya onim de pa wone afoforo bi a keka ho e de ensem bi atodwa se abato commission titreni no seda ne danyan empanifo eyi a eya omonye ensakiraye kakra seda ne danyan president awote so e na abrani na otai abato commission no Professor Bafo Ajiman ene afoforo bi a eka ho se ebeya sa constitution no enka empanifo nye ensakiraye wom eni de kwaso yenti onimonyamfo Professor Bafo Ajiman.
Very tragically in this republic, because of the keen competition between the two dominant political parties, whatever an incumbent government does is indifferent in terms of the meaning and the essence by the opposition party. This new electoral commission has been doing. The now opposition NDC also sees it as favoring the sitting party, the sitting president and his party.
For any day kwaso wey ayo nmunyam for Professor Bafo Ajiman ena odi ensembi atudwa se kwan yefa so eyi abato commission titreni no empanifo sa constitution ebeya omonye ensatrai for messages ahodo bra 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 a WhatsApp message and a normal SMS message afabra 0243 12 36 46 o person sponsor the best global political shows who are the same line 0243 12 36 46 Facebook Kumeu TV and also Fabra at the right time no ye beje brenia kenkai the amount. Farmer, good morning. Na me pacho ni die kwa so ho ye de.
Oh na kopo adom ese moja die mo fu send ese ya anasa.
Okay.
Ghana.
Yeah.
Me so ma se Barcelona.
Okay.
Tine
ne me team ne Real Madrid but me dey am fa mani eni HD. E na Man U. Me tam fa mani ni HD sa.
Ne Barcelona ye se 4.
Okay.
Oh Madrid 4 home. Yes.
Mo ne ye na ebo.
Oh yes.
E na mo share 4.
Yes, se mo 4.
Hey.
And I know yes, Bayern Munich 4-1.
Okay.
And yes, Madrid 4.
Extra stories.
Yes.
Extra stories.
Okay.
Yanko.
Adisa baba mendasi na menchia santimane Ghana menyina na menkancho msebre no ani omuko Facebook na dwumadi a ekoso with ma hwe no ho no Kumawood anase home TV eti kan na frɛ wunua ne ka chense Kumawood no Ghana Mpuntuo masase kwagu ma mendasi biem na yenhye dwumadi no ase na yenhye ase dia na se yemfa ani enkyeremu ewo kura anase district a ne din ede Shama eno ewo Asante anase yemam heya Central region ena wokọ aho ena Shama district ewo na odeseba Shama district drip coordinator ena ekase na ochiremu a wase his excellency na nada kwa Kufuado papai ena wohwe mfidia ode ama district anase mansini bia na enya dia odi fuwe etimi eka ho edema obia de senkrofo bi ene
na district no so omo ya da paafo ye di mfidie kama we abremu a asambe kakra mo begigi mo mfa ntobi mu mai wiase be kura fa ye nko ya nim asemo
kan se nana edim fidie ni barosen ko san edifu
esa aka ho
na o hwe machines ahodo a odi gu hoi na ko sa edifu begum de
ko betimi
mama dan na sa mama to papa
boy
na papa no etimi
okay
ase nana do ene e hopa di wanya de
ayo mo yamfo Anthony Adumafo okay
yengongongo tie ya papa ensema okai efa
Sama Junction to Kofeku for about 4 kilometers, and we have done it complete. And as we are talking now, we are in Yadu Road, and Yadu Road 2 is about 4.5 kilometers. We have also done it, and we are moving to Abusi, Abuade now. But because of fuel, as I told you earlier, we couldn't go there this morning.
What was the issue with fuel?
Assembly have just broke. We don't have money. So I went to DC this morning, and he was saying that they are working on it. The arrangement of the fuel is that in the beginning they told us that all the fuel and everything will come from Accra, the central government. But now it hasn't come. So only the assembly.
So dia and say ya papa you should equality super.
Dr. Anthony Adumafo niti so se be ma de se so ti so kakra. Eti GC for say fu e maya machines no mu nusu. Na machine na be siwa san hwe omo be oshin o. Omo washing machines no. Omo tunton. Obi di eni so adi nu papa say ya ba.
Eti district ndo.
GCs, MCs, regional ministers. Mo twagu ni muntimi ntwagu drip machines nim and so I say ya di fu afiri so ba odi yanko ye be wuram
jetwa ensa so dia yentoa so emfama mu na yenuanom asukufo a ene omo won samansama asukuu mu ene obehwe na omo na kwaje ntetiye ewo ebere a mutime samansama
school of agenfu
yes na omo ba abontene omo se alawa ebiero senkomo hwe animu senka omo mpeni de bema wo mo no omo hwe animu a efiri teacher kwa abota bere so ebesi ene ensama bere so nya de amonsa atimi aka de sabram no kasai ene school of hygiene foi kasa ekire na rodan kwa kufu
alawa no
ese omalawa no omo bosome ba ko pe
omo so awie school su tifie
omo ma wie school su tifie
assembly
bosome ba ko pe am de ama his essence na rodan kwa kufu
okay
ene MPP aba so mo ametu omo ka ana so mo fa mo dia ene ombeti ntesikoko edego mo so eti semo omuso etimi akachire na rodan kwa kufu
yenuanum school of hygiene for no in fact areho because fireman said ye na wo kan o hwe nansen korra atiatesa I think story no say ho no na o hwe na yenuanum yankom na wese omo wie school no be enchereche de matem before so a omo titifie e na korra sabre ayinti e o Ghana no yenti yenuanum emra sisi
It became necessary as the numerous follow-ups being made by leadership of this prestigious student union in connection to that have clearly failed. We petitioned the ministry on the following issues. Number one, omission of names of our members, that is Tamale School of Hygiene Products, currently on what the Allied Health Council will call internship or NSS from the financial clearance hologram. Honorable Minister, by this we are demanding that the ministry takes abrupt and leadership of the coalition will make sure that we witness the endorsement of the IPD funds at the ministry before we leave. And we will give them 1 month ultimatum. We'll give them 1 month ultimatum to make sure that everybody, both Ho, Temali, and across schools of hygiene, get their monies. Else we are.
And so Edema Mudia and say Emmanuel Awuku, yes, General Secretary, President of School of Hygiene, the Kasai. Kwaku Areho, fireman from Nancy for. Yeah, I'm from Nancy for. Na yatwa ensano so emfama modia. Na se enanu ya da ene ohwehwe Ghana ye record mu edia kwaku. Na se enye. Na se Director of Public Health Ghana Health Service. Okay. And they can say
Dr. Franklin.
Yes.
McQueen.
Yes.
Okay.
And they can say.
What's it say?
Or say, na I didn't know say, I recorded 2.
Kora no share. Kora no. Nipa mi yenu. Nipa best 43 confirmed cases. Ai. Ye nuanom akọ school akwaje ntete awia. Enkomba be ye nkyerɛkyerɛ kakra no. Ya, o me atifie no. Ye tie Dr. Frank Ebekwe na sisi ye tie no na.
Thankfully, over the past few days, we've gotten quite a number of cases, but they are all now. They are not very severe cases. So when we look at the cases on admission, I think there's just about 12 cases on admission. So which is good for us, because in that case, the risk of dying is low. But then the risk of spread is on the high side. We are providing water to these communities, particularly the epicenters in these communities. And then we have worked with the assembly to make sure that they enforce the bylaws. Originally, it was like banning funerals, but we have to alter it a bit. So what they are doing is that if you want to have a funeral, you need to have hand washing facilities there, and then they make sure that they don't do parties after the funeral. Last week, we had this meeting of the West Coast, I mean the ECOWAS region, and about 8 countries have
a penny health service for no omano
corporate health
for no
yeah
Dr. Frank and Ekasan na odiseba obeka story we emfie be semie na kaswa na kaswa de ene asempapo asemboni o ene ebitimi fa hopa na emfie miensanie na kaswa akwada bi akwaku na se yehwe ni mfie no nya mfie be se enson ene nipa bonfo bi amwo kaswa etimi ekukuma brantie anasa akure ya all because of say sisika na aduro ho na sika na aduro ho na aduro nyinaa ekukuma brantie sika zo kwagu omanyo
okay
sabram no kase ene penimu ana owomu a odi sa ankwase asem jimise ma bodanse mu a omtimi ekunu abrantie achese oye kremoni court etimi ekwa asetena no ehwe nkrata mu emfie baako miensa no court amano life imprisonment say abrantie any onkro dem abrantie wonye mfie aduonu ebaako
okay
me che 21 years
okay
kwa kusabram no kase de court say ono nso nkoi na mfie aduonu baako a wonya no onkonkonko toaso na say pipi baba ba mu biem say this is baba ba mu biem a enya de odinani ebehunu ewiase ebiem yanko ne ngongongo hwemfunu bia
ya akwala no ewofa akwala no makunu wofa eka
because of this issue, brother has lost his job by his private business and is in debt over 180,000 Ghana cedis, which we don't know where to go and find those pay off those debts.
Not good, because the evidence is obvious that my client, for instance, admitted to the offense. And once you've admitted to the offense, there's no way that the jury...
And someone say, Oshe, around someone. Etimi epiem 3
life imprisonment
yes we say we dey ma branches so nkonkonko hwenkane
okay
enko hwenkane kwaku eza ha ene de Ghana Mpuntuo Tesen microscope no ebesi na mum aboafo bi adafo
eye kobo garage kobo garage and akobo motors
yes
omo o Kumase Asante Mountain be quite roundabout ka bia wo pato bia no kobo garage and motors ene we say wo de wani ede ekire kohonum na koto car esmasi wo pese oto car eche odofo bia e bia wo free amonone ene eba ka bia wo pepia no kobo garage ana kobo motors yeah okay
V8
okay
2 tires Land Cruiser Vit say all types of cars ni na no kobo garages for ebetimi e de amount e bia na wo pe car e de adi uduma bi ana se o de ayewaye fro ana se o wedding bi o ma me aye ba so pe car se de uduma dia kobo garage for say bright na eno mo mahwimom o car no so FA pa ope se Highlander na ope V8 ope se car bia ope bia kwaku on car esiwe FA pa
yeah
say mawadi me be
very comfortable and affordable yeah
kobo fo ya bo me o she Highlander o she se wo car we say FA bi ranfo
yeah
FA papa
yeah
e bi na sisi wo no ope ranfo ope all types ni bia Kobo garage
na yemfe Kobo garage and motors 0242 26 92 88 0242 26 92 88 Kobo garage ene yeko akoto ye car na se car no so opese ukoto a na opo bi a onim car ma obedi wani ma fa kodan auto gh for
what free one mo no
anasa ukoto kura no opese on se car no e bi a etiapa
engineer kama
yes auto gh Mr James ene engineer Ben
sure
ena afi eja fita nana ajeman
wow
Abraham Erikusmo
wow
womo a team of auto gh
omo
askwa opposite the arc
one mo na
JP filling station e kire ho ana omo ho
piao
auto gh kono mu ni wanim enkoto car ma o car no so asen so a fakko engine no so asen si ba bia don't worry omo beto engine abesim e car no e di amount yemfre auto gh from pen for 0243 2036 11 0266 77 00 0243 2036 11 auto gh na ye de car service ahodo ni na eco na esmasi obeto enkoko obeto double obeto enconfirm obeto enkosia Emmanuel Farms ewo encarrier yoso onimanyamfo Emmanuel Asikiwini wono na champion CEO ema Emmanuel Farms a ewo encarrier yoso agric mu no be men monyamfo onimdie kese ewom ejura agric college eho ena okosua ade sabre osa okNST a osua ade efakua SM enkanka enkokọ entakrabo aye ho de a Emmanuel Farms a ewo encarrier yoso ena we se wodi wani kire yefo mayamfo Emmanuel Asikiwini ewo 0541
Emmanuel Farms
39 90 52 0541 39 90 52 Emmanuel Farms a ewo encarrier yoso ena esmasi ye nyina de yani e kire ni akwa akwaji yenkosua yenkokọ ene entakrabo ahodo bi akita ya okay achem Teles Pharmacy abosano soro honoma na abehu ya okay me fries ahodo nyina ya okay ene ya fla obeye e di amount yi akas ahodo nyina obeye e di amount citation ya okay be t-shirt na wucho odi aguma ya okay ebe o blando car politicians no election year na ewo mu ya okay asante achim ya graphics ahodo nyina no yemfa enkodon ya okay ewo kononwe na ontimi eni dwumadie no emfa man na yemfa ya okay ewo 0593 13 43 90 0593 13 43 90 ya okay when it comes to graphic design na sabre die ma bedwa for no atna se
na unim say ene tools be pepper ma wale ne
yeah ene tools ai why not please care yeah mini abema no enya bi mini abema enya bi owale wale obapa patient owusu ade owusu na ehiem na eme ya owusu na ehiem no se wa wa branch owusu na ko wale obi oju owusu mimi du owusu Isaac owusu fo eni monyamfo
na sembe na okay
na e de na atimi konya owusu wale no
oyere ba fo de enye ni monyamfo ana
Prince K ya
awade re baso kwaku menkan kire Kumasi
man 1 minute ye wi ani asawura ho
senya me ya aduma awade no e baso e wo Kumasi abuabo kese eno wo ahojo sokobaya mpame road na wo de bibi kire wa adwena obetimi aframe number no etinyame ya adumu a Saturday and be say 9th no munyina momra amame time chi na awade no kwaku
wo heba Prince K yaboa na o tene kana sa bedo monyamfo Comland Kamasan ukopiem e kwada so abato mpesu aso abeme ni monyamfo wono na ye executive member na monyamfo Albert Edusafo AK Budo wono so MPP osunu kokroko amanuko no communication team no odi mu entintima ye pa eti eye onumonyamfo Albert Edusafo enso eba be kan yensa na ye di dwumadie no ahyehye so now without wasting much or ample time no ensema na wotwi ekoso ewo mrahye bedwafie no ye behwe speaker ensema okan ewa bra oto ye mrahye bedwafie ni mu na afi Dr. Baumia wono so as a vice president 33 policies na ode aba na yewra his excellency John Dramani Mahamadie when it comes to policy credibility Dr. Digitalization say yewura John Dramani Mahama enibi na yebehwe Komlan Kamasan ewa hanom yebehwe se John Dramani Mahama when it comes to policy credibility obi anase onibi na afen so onimonyamfo Albert Edusafo aka Budo wono so MPP Dr. Baumia ne policy ahodo a wose wono so ede atudwa amayahwe anase as a vice president policy ahodo a wose we implement no wode atudwa ame na yentie onimonyamfo right honorable Alban Sumana Kingsford Babina woye chiamehene pani o mrahye bedwafie na ano branda abra oto ye mrahye bedwafie no mu no ensem a wode etu edwa ebusuafo eni die kwa so yegusu right honorable Alban Sumana Kingsford Babin emfonyi no ede amamo ubetimi edo messages ahodo aba 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 Mr. James Ayen we chairman Emma Auto GH anopay mechia Augustine onso owo Kobo Garage onso anopay mechia na afi onimonyamfo Emmanuel Asekiwini champion CEO oda Emmanuel Farms ano onso anopay mechia bebre eja bebre se eja fita wona agibre ehwe demo super power the best global political show ye chiachia mu nyina ene anopay na nabi onso owo Ejapa TV omfa dwumadi no eni ago Dr. Pascal wo hwe dwumadi no Father Abraham Butu New Mercury monso mu nyina mo se mo agebra mo hwe dwumadi no at the right time no ye bekin ka messages ahodo ni nyina e de ama ho etu dia ma ya bo modin ase ode de beba 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 a WhatsApp message and a normal SMS message yemfa fabra ni yenkenkai ema yentie right honorable Alban Sumana Kingsford Babin emra ena ano branda otom na shebedwafie ni mu emra CCA.
Half of all the members of parliament present. Honourable members, we don't have at least half of all the members of parliament present. In view of the circumstances, the fact that there is a question on the composition of parliament and having regard to public interest and the exigencies of the state of affairs in parliament,
I want you to focus on the fact that this election campaign, we are two people who are at the forefront trying to be president of this country. It's myself and the former president. We are the two people who are trying to be. The former president has been president before. You have seen all the work that he did. He was vice president and he was president. You have seen all the work that he did. And if you ask him to mention one policy that he has brought to benefit all Ghanaians, he will find it difficult to mention one. Just one. But he has been president before.
As you know, I have never been president before. My competitor has been president, isn't it? But everybody knows. If you ask Dr. Baumia what I have done since I have been vice president, I'll tell you so many things. I'll tell you about the Ghana card. I'll tell you about the digital address system. I'll tell you about mobile money interoperability. But if you ask the former president, tell us one thing that he has brought to help our well-being in Ghana. Just one policy. What, do you know one? One policy. You can't remember one policy.
So Eddie Coyote, right honorable Alban Sumana Kingsford Babin. Chiamehene penny or Mrashebedwafie na ano branda or to Yemna Shebedwafie no emuno ena ode ensembi etuja ena ote Dr. Alhaj Mahamud Baumia enso ono na Ekura Franka ediama MPP osunu kokoko amanyoko for 7 December election wasi yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mama when it comes to policy credibility unibi wono kra we vice president no wo de maako 33 ene diaba wo be ye Ghana mampani wo sa ye vice president enso Dr. Baumia say wentimi amfa policy ba akokora ama nanadufo ubutu kumewu menya ntie se onso ubutu wakasa mfoni ho a wo hwe dwumadie ne dendende nana dufo ba bia wo bia na ye chia one aboafo hema ewo kumewu na sabredie mabedwafo no atena se without wasting much or ample time no mamen komo Mr. Kamasan NDC executive member kwada so abato empesua so mebeduru studio no be 3 minutes ena ono so ebeduru e watena se ache senior good morning
Oliver
if I chop me here
bibia boko
okay
nyame aye ne die
okay
akase ye nipa da se so ye de ebeto so
okay sabre die etiefo agebre ehwe etio yen semre yemre no eko ye hwe die eko so e wo mrahye bedwafie uremu efa mame before effects consequence ewo o man Ghana eso parliament yatum indefinitely
before me come asem so no mentimi betina efidie kese we so without say mechia mempeni for 1 or 2 people omo NDC amanyoku ne mu omo du adwumadie kese pa ewo party ne mu first no nchia kese we ekoma the former president John Dramani Mahama and then the flag bearer the leader of the National Democratic Congress at December 7 ye nyina ebekwa kosa lai atwaba ediamano na wabe implementi formula 133 one job 3 shift 3 people na wabe implementi sa formula yi na abe de abeboa
ura sem ni mamie
me pa cho me sa kwada so constituency no ene ye me parliamentary candidate honorable Eric Sibe awoda nyame de fiba ko de aka ne fie so enti babia wo bia no me mane happy birthday on the 31st yeah, bekwa akoye community engagement with honorable
we dey sank e be wia
meba
e be wia o time na me dey ama no
very good
and apartment nsem no nka bi
okay meka bi ba enusu ehia pa community engagement na kan ye program na ehu enti ye bekwa akoye on the 31st ne kodjobunsu na ye be yesa engagement we enti be bia omo bia no me dey ncha kese e ma mo na Isa Moro the constituency chairman minua se wo hwe asem mu a nanoa na 3 and 4 members of parliament omo decide say omo eko independent based on that no ye were 3 MPP parliamentary members and ye were NDC so baako and the speaker of parliament were right to say obey declare those seats vacant based on the constitution and then the standing orders of what the parliament.
Okay.
A year article 9(7). I quote that article 9(7). Diana Ekai, without waste much time, let me read and no the benefit. I say tenure of what office of members. 1. A member of parliament shall vacate he or her seat in parliament. 1. That is A. Upon a dissolution of parliament, or if he is elected as a speaker of parliament, blah 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 blah. Let me go to the J. The J that is matters. If he leaves the party of which he was a member at the time of his election to parliament to join another party or seek to remain in parliament as an independent member. Actually, say the constitution no make it clear to everyone say time over parliament no say over on the ticket of a particular party. Now we decide say over kwa independence we see to know I was say ode to ho na declare vacant. And say over as an independent and over sisa wadwen say me by as an independent but me say me could join one of the parties I be boa me metimi agina ede na me ne omu be ye adwuma na wo betimi adjoin a kire wo se wasa ye de wasa afofite wo what wo sit no e wo se wo jet to ho now se wo jet to ho a sa time na wo at sa issue no nyina AC no say within 6 months to the general election there will not be a by election. So obeshare say formina MP no previously time Professor Mike Okwe Speaker of Parliament the same thing happened or declare the seat vacant. But time ye kwa koto abanenti no yatimi anye by election. And a speaker ejina no so rule say sa four seat no wa declare vacant. What declare vacant no a chero say NDC automatically become the majority in parliament. So based on that, enchebia ena the minority leader of parliament Alexander Afenyomake etumerika the Assembly Court to Supreme Court for interpretation. And a Supreme Court so they vetted by say what the injunction to the ruling so. And Ken Sumana Aban Bagwe Ekotena say Tuesday I tell me and I can say on this Monday no and I hear there and you will receive the letter no from what do you call it Supreme Court because they are all thing yes until formally no that was Monday. Waka say now we have a separation of powers if you know that. Enti nyama bebre AC no say the moment MPP ebe di phobia no what the Supreme Court ebe care no adwane no the Assembly Court say per interpretation na Supreme Court aba. But mind you, Supreme Court is there to protect our laws and then what our democracy, but not to do the burden of a particular political party because the Chief Justice has been appointed by what a political leader, so he had to do by hook or crook a burden for them, which is not helping the democracy at all in Ghana.
Okay.
So based on that, the Speaker of Parliament take a decision with the consultation of the leadership what suspend Parliament indefinitely. Yeah, NDC, we are still the majority in Parliament.
Okay.
Until ompeo.
Okay.
Kopim say Speaker Saba Bonti Abekache say sisi ane de makuma tomi yem me friend meeting no. Yeah. Members majority in Parliament. Medamu nyina mo say semonya support because NDC all the
okay,
way.
meda say.
Yeah.
Ebusuafo ni de kwan so no nyamfo Comland Kamasan ena Oteneka. Budo, good morning.
Yeah, senior, good morning.
Na pomi ye dia. Okay, the first topic on the table for discussion. Yenhwe na chebedwafie the ekoso asabe speaker say na chebedwafie no watum indefinitely. Yenhwe effects and as a consequence edebema o my Ghana Mpuntuo.
Yo, me da say, nedi kan no mechia me party mpanyufo nyina. Afri yewura adodan kwekufo ado so ne the incoming president yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the Sentinel Ajibe Bia Ishimsi Jata. Na fin so much mention of constituency for nyina. Nyame ya adoma. Ene na watwe ankasa. Ye work with den e mention of nyina. Ti be show mention of for nyina. Be show mo fatwi waka. Na fin momra medi MP achi. Na ye nyina no ye mo osi na yenye work no. Afi ne sato so biem. Mi ankasa mikromofo jama se chechwe reforms so se mechia wo mo na nyame ya adom so a 24th November jamase chichwari ya boy ya forwe afibia ye bo ne di develop community no nti meshe se obi ofri jamase chichwari bia no omomodin se du yo minia me dase bebre me wanwa ese menua Kamasan abetena ha no mo kase omo ne majority by omo ni mo se Supreme Court yewura smani babi ohun mejo no wono akasa de ne pe na wo pesi we de be wo declare parliament say ye can say seat bi wo no ma de be vacant ba mi wa no so no interpretation of the constitution no only the Supreme Court nko an etimi de be etimi interpreti na fe no NDC for pese wo modi atutra se mo ba enam se yen NPP for nim dia ekura yen ni enim sede emra no sitie ni nti no yan pray ye ho ye bo modin se ye di emra ankasa ebeye adwuma nye wo mu ne se esunsu aso a eba a ama sabre ya ankasa eye parliament ankasa ya suspended no esunsu aso ni bi ni nye di kan on see your bills bebre ho no ma ese parliament etenase na komutimi epase ni esa to subiem so se ubeka ya eye minuanom emabunu a wo mo so eye security service a aban ni for wo mo adwuma eno enam se de aban ni NDC fo empese Jumedie ai wo ho no ma parliament ebetimi akọ na emabunu no yafa wo mo sa beka ya on se yewura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ema Ghana fo nyina te se emabunu ni bia wo ma to form a wo mo eye wo ma dwe se wo mo beko soldier wo mo beko police wo mo beko eye navy wo mo beko migration wo mo beko prisons wo mo nyina yefa wo mo yanu ana NDC for emabunu NDC for empese ye be famo ye kan ye wonyina so nye sato subiem so on se enam sika eba omayimu na afeni ye de bi atua contractor for ka na wo mu so atimidi aye adwuma no ne ade no NDC for se omo ntiase se ye di sika no beba na ye di atua contractor for ka which they say NDC for any adwempa at the Ghana for. So NDC for pay majority in parliament. They should go to their polling station. Polling station. A honomo and the man would me by a majority in parliament. A Jumatia MPP. Yeah no and a majority. Eti omo any who quite a say omo bekane say omo na majority. It's only the Supreme Court onunkoa anebetimi interpret. Na fe ebre anase enfie enanya ne di animu nyina no wantimi ama me majority within a few time we anababe majority in parliament ana afeni asa tosubiem owo se se parliament businesses are ekoso. Okay. Enam sa adi we say yaba no ebema enoma nyina ayede ben ajiegu afi so no esa the political tension esa be de ben ebeba wo memu na mo form majority ma wo man ye de ema wan na Supreme Court sasem no Supreme Court na say na Supreme Court
according to our constitution so parliament and some high court and the west setna so na we dey dey copy of Supreme Court
debi Supreme Court nko na etimi interpret with the constitution. So ne mecho no yewra sumani babe oni ho kwan so at say because mesre no
now see for mama
mesre no says ye can say honorable ye can say no abambabe
right honorable okay
yes,
speaker
right,
okay
honorable babe mesre say it should be neutral so at say because you are the referee so at say
4 years now so neutral
or ye
3 to 4 years
you say wo be hwe no ne ade bia no ne ade abo se no aye de be wo hyehyase
you say NDC agenda no ye
so at say ne ye hwe because wo de wo ye referee ana wo ye de be wo ho no eti ne make nyina ne se Ghana for mahwefo ani emabu na mani abrese mo pese mo ko security service nyina no ne ade no NDC wo se ma yenye ana wonim ne tie ma me
si form na mesa asase free
tie
obeba
me nua tie
one na mesa
asase we say you can say Beatrice Anna a spokesperson for John Dramani Mahama was say if you are in any of the security services and you were recruited in this government, start prepare your things because you will go home on 7th January, right after the independence square ceremony. Which means that which means that Emrantia ya for wo mo adwuma no.
Ene de etimi ya adwuma.
Minister ya for mo.
Nkano wase MPP enkwa na betimi aboa oman Ghana na NDC ayewura John Dramani Mahama edi animu ne de enya de a omo bibi papa edema tememfo a ewo oman Ghana mabudo.
Yeah, senior.
Second topic no wa na message
yo senior
ase every honum na Dr. Baumia okura franka ede amamo wase when it comes to policy credibility mo MPP mo obebre enkanka ono Dr. Baumia onya me Ghana man penikra no 33 policies e na odi aba
yo
policies na bi ni dey
yo me that say all one say we obi enka enkyerɛw so ati ase obi enka enkyerɛw say 33 policy aye ye can say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia de go one kasa wonim ni
as a vice president
as a vice president o medi president da tieni o say wo hye tieni wo hye ebra aye yewura JJ Lawrence what the policy be by o call a bit say assembly district assembly no money ade nyina no money ade yewura Lawrence na ma ya can say local government here dey be ipa Lawrence so ye bonity afi wo call e ba ewura J Kufo so a je de ka yewura J Kufo pa no money ade dia national health insurance what the plan ya can say koko mass praying yede be yede ebaye afi so ohwe yewura adodan kwa Akufo Addo so a o de obi abeka che wa de say free education ebra wo de pa no ni admo say 419 yewura John Dramani Mahama tieni o yewura John Dramani Mahama eba be di vice president wono yehu policy bia o de bai o saba be di president Oji president wie ye no yewura ebra yewura Mels kasa de bay nya ne baby ko call ye no one bedi ye yesa Ghana fo nyina nya agrehyemu eto aba edema yewura John Dramani Mahama yewura John Dramani Mahama baye no edi ade no de baye de baye ani say dumso ana yewura John Dramani Mahama ede Ghana fo de bay ekomu ne yenche yewura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wono yento aba ankasa enfama ne da wono ni team ballot paper so da
obi a we mate no
yes policy a wodi ai de be e buy
mate policy
me ba tie ni ye won na me cho Ghana card insurance a wodi e de be wodi buy enam kan se menua no kama sam monom ni ade ne do mato pewro so double salary na omo ye de be na omo jeche ni nyina na buy e free honomo ene mobile money onua wa broche no o send we sika no ni ade asisi a na wo side de be akanya fe na wo ko Western Union bia wo se bra afi number na wo de ma me no me refio enya fe na akwako dealer so ne sato subiem ene electricity o pese wo to light wan kasa wo phone so ankasa wutimi to light afi ne sato subiem yewura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia esem se jaka uboni dia na ne sente no age ba pia wo se yotina se eno hu se ye nuanom ye maame no mo wo kromo enketua mu no ne ade no omo yare na se moja sem ayedian ma wo mo a gisa afi na ade no beto ambulance mu a wo de ne beko kra na bia wo de be wawu ana doctor say enye yenye elupre nkete me kan elupre nkete se de be ya me nana abrewa me nana abrapa wo be de be obehu drone wo hono ma na de be na babesi ene me ni wo kasei ebra na JSS for ne three exams secondary school for three exams ana kaneno nkrofo e kan say school for no ne ade ase wem omo e de be omo anya your friend is saying omo anya apo no ne ade ni nyina atwa wo ho no na drones no
say yewura ma se moto apo mampala no
me ba say enye initiative yewura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ade ba ya no ne ade ankom say election omo ba be use drone ana me be say yewura John Dramani Mahama ni NDC
now see for mama me
wonu wo ba ya di ade no de ba ye uboni din a ese bas branding
uboni dinya eye dum so uboni dinya wose menye me I can say mintua ne entua china nursing training allowance uboni dinya wose Ghana for ye yare agrefie uboni dinya de wo betia ne se wose me yo damfu no me suro second so atiase but you Dr. Mahmoud Dr. Mahmoud Mr. Digitalization so atiase ene one kasa ene wo ye passporta what is shepa wo ye same training it is same we say there say one kasa wo say papa no the visionary leader the problem solver the ball solution it is possible let's vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia coming December NDC and John Dramani Mahama we need to be on Modema Ghana for Mpuntuo
Tesen Kano Kamasan
Baba
Dr. Bawumia say policies there only be policy credibility mo frank to ni his excellency John Dramani Mahama obe vice president abeye president policy ba kokura ni wa what they buy what be buy na
okay minia kasa tintin toponko na drobejiwa enye atrema
sure
on say minia because on me say wa fairly Ghana for totally what temu mfifiri team a condition mu but na mfifiri de etino o ka sembi e wo say before me kwasa say me clarify no o say yes o say abangbagwe woni tumi bia a obeye de o de be bibi but o suspend the parliament no ogina emra so first declaration third verse no na emra 1992 constitution
policies na Ghana for na
yes me pese o say
policies ni ade
o say standing order 59 plus 1 say die speaker in consultation with the leadership faith suspend meeting of die house indefinitely or for a period very day determined by the speaker. And now policies are what can one say me. Progressively free education, which was launched 2015. Any policy. Single spine. Any policy. Now, free fertilizers. Is it not policy? Now, what do we call policy? MPP keep on mentioning, trumpeting, policy. What is policy at all? They always mention policy, but they cannot implement the proper policy that they talk about. Share free education. What can one say? What idea? Our constitution, which is progressively free education, we say enu de enye papa, enu nye policy. Enye Ghana for ne benefit.
Okay.
Enye Ghana for kroya ne benefit. They are the stakeholders. They are the like major stakeholders. Omube benefit. That is why they give out what a social contract. Now, Mamin Fa Mahama because it's a starting Mahama na like a time kura ensume. Bawumia. What say we implemented 33 policies, and yes, sir. The same person who stood on platform, Ghana for you say, many women, you say, or your driver's mate, or need to me. Before being a 2 minutes, just say a day, still another day, sir. So everything that Akufo-Addo has done negatively, positively, no, and Bawumia and a year, one count. But amazing part, and say, when it comes to credibility, when you come to like now I Jaffa or say Bawumia mina mi yes. But the moment a problem bana ye ka wan sempe na o say nya Bawumia e Akufo-Addo. Hey, Bawumia we wicked.
Dr. Bawumia.
Dr. Bawumia is very wicked. Hey. It's very wicked to Akufo-Addo. Because Akufo-Addo told us, say, we know we a lawyer. And we know how I say Shichesika. And Yesika na ye hata. I want to be a nimuno. And nothing now far. Dr. Bawumia say ombe yede, ombe bua na onenimi no atena say ashishe Ghana sika no na economy no agina enanso. Say economy no ebegina ne nanso That was the purpose of bringing Bawumia. Yet Titikasu Nesu come there. Ghana waye Juma Bank of Ghana. When him say Sikano, ewo Ghana ha. Nti yenko abanone enko bobosia. Ah, na o ka kire me say, wo waye enu kura na me pese metie. That is why Ghanaians are going to vote massively for John Dramani Mahama coming December 7. Osaka Assembly say say onene mienu pe onene John Dramani Mahama and a contest. Ah, nipa 13 and a ballot papers no. Papers no so enye sa. Sa nipa 13 no omu de omu ko. So it tell you say and the MPP and Bawumia have failed Ghanaian woefully. So what left to say? There is nothing they can say to convince Ghanaian this time around. So all they have to do is a propaganda, lies, deception, corruption, stealing, grabbing, all these kind of things. You know, that is what they can do. But we remain focused.
Mama can come for messages. No SMS. Any day, some of the messages I would do on a bar. With all due respect, add your name. Messages no so amode by SMS no. Ebi kura say empty nko. Oh, ade. We say NDC will win this year election. One faudi ama. We be so say dey. Me pa cho memfre na me kenkai amount for messages no. Ede amo memfre on the show. Aha. We be so say Barcelona will win Real Madrid 4-1. Also one faudi ama. Sports kakra ye na amode mo messages ahodo enso efa ho aba yo ni nyina no ye bekenkai e dia am SMS message no me hunu su ye aha as the guy who is talking too much that what did Bawumia did for Ghana also one faudin ama SMS ya mo mfa mudin no emra chairman stop talking because nobody can change my mind. NDC all the way from Ata Senior Brekum West and a day the message ebaye was say evident in his eyes in the evidence in his eyes and in his palm of his hands. It is possible he doesn't have health insurance and he is not even worried about that. That is the problem with many Ghanaians. We need kwame with the free tema ena a day ebaye. Mamen call WhatsApp na men kenkai amount for messages on so aba emfa emomos. Good morning. Minua catch the MPP ni no say dear nipa any ada hopi enti ontumi ento emfuturo engu obiara ani efri say the speaker eye no na enam emra kwan so we asare Isaac Bonsu what the free Isaac Asare what the free Bonsu kwanta ena edbai. Was good morning my brother Odesheba. I'm watching live this morning. Keep up with the good work. My regards to Nana Sewa Amponsa Kumeu Mahema Very masafo Tinubu akodua Kumeu Mahene and Nananya Akon Abra Sika the third Manson Kwanta Hema Way Nanadufo and a day message way a free Kumeu Ebai or for Amponsa and if you crow fire in Field about say the second coming of JDM will be dangerous. So Ghanaians should not consider bringing him back to power at all. Even if you dream of voting for JDMs and this, please wake up, as they have nothing new to offer Ghanaians. Greetings to Dr. Bawumia and Professor Oche Ademen Sansio, Komfanoche Teaching Hospital of Amponsa, and if you profile in field teacher constitution, also the free as well. There is an account that says, if you don't know death, look at sleep. Those saying JDM should come and rule Ghana again should look at Otu Ado, the Black Star coach. Look at what his return has done to Ghana. Nowhere in Africa has a person been legally removed from their position and later given it back. Greetings to Dr. Bawumia, Chairman Koka and Honorable Mavis and Cancer Board, Teacher Constitution, Eddie Free, and the Bible. Was say, good morning, Odisheba, to protect free SHS party. vote for Dr. Baumia, number 1 on the ballot paper. Where Frank Yeboah, Odifra Grand Swedru, and Edebai was hi, Mr. Host. Ghanaians should not listen to Mahama lofty promise because he said during election you mixed truth with lies. Where so ya upon Odifri Ejoso and Ede Ebai was say good morning or this year, but let Afenyo Markin and the other MPP MPs know that NDC understand Ghana's 1992 constitution than them because they walk out during its formation. When you Isamoro or the free Tempani and a day ebaye was good morning. The political messiah Ghanaians should dump wicked MPP and NDC and vote for Nana Kwame Bediako aka Cheddar for him to rule Ghana with his better policies. Way Evans Opoku what the free suhum and a edebaye ubetimi e de wadwen chere aba e wa bra ofre aba dwumadie no eso 0538 775272 0538 775272 any dey kwa asomo agye chere no enye polite and mature manon so enye snappy we are from honorable Seko Kokoda. Good morning honorable Kamasan, keep up with the good works. Nice program Kumawu TV we are honorable Seko on also messenger or the producers any day kwa so Monfa numbers no English screen is 0538 775272 0538 775272 na fe so Monfa voda line no enso ento screen so bi emfa enka na afrefo no so entimi emfre emre adwumadie so mo check phones no se eni aduma eni die kwa so mo so phone no na amanfo so entimi emfre mfa omo adwenkyere emra Facebook message Abrantia Hene Danny Boy watching you live from Obuase Abrantia Hene clothing Obuase ono so message a ode ebe no 0538775272 monfa numbers no English screen so emame adai numbers no say ema na champion famous Adom best with all due respect monfa phone lines no English screen so emame 0538 775272 fre nafa wadwenkyere ebra what the wadwenkyere eba manye polite and matured mano enye snappy enso emfa emai 0538 775272 any dey kwa so say producers no numbers no omo say screen no na entimi ento so into the obetimi afre na de wadwenkyere aba 0538 numbers no number no wrong mon check number ni 0538 775272 0538 775272 mon check numbers ni na mon fan to screen so mam na yemre ne ko na afrefo no enso entimi emfre emre adwumadie ne so. Hello, I need your class. Udini baby akasa free.
Me din de Anthony Boache.
Okay, Ajafita yanko.
Go friend me Ajafita.
Yanko.
PSC dusi poku anope ne mo ache.
Opa ne kase me josu eburu.
Me ma onu etiefo nyina moni yo.
Etiefo da ase.
Adwumadie a katachie obo ebuama o my Ghana etumpon. Ye beka so chedi ampo nyankopon won hira o.
Amen.
Na oma dwumadi a wudi anya nkoso ne ma wadwuma kura enu penifo nyina moni yo if se wa makwan yanka eni pase o my Ghana yente enti tiesie anopei ma se nyina ne se o chedi ampo nyankopon won hira o ma nkwa ahode wu
amen
wadwuma pa oye ebuama o my Ghana etumpon
amen yedase.
Thank you
very much. Ejafita ena otenenka no 0537755272 me pacho monfa boda line no enkan why 0537755272. Hello, I need your class Udini baby akasa free.
Hello.
Me pacho Udini baby akasa free.
Me pacho from Sandra.
Sandy me pacho yanko.
What are you?
Me pacho wadwenkyere. Hello. Sandy and Timmy and so 0537755272 0537755272 by and snappy na yankwe anim eni pa ne ba 30 seconds 1 minute pa o chere na adwi a na mo ina free so hello ani die kwa so di ni ba bia kasa free
hello mi ba jo me kasa free for as mi dey akwesienfi
me pa cho open kese wa dwen chere
me dey me kan say NT fo nya di yo mbetu ma pa bo nipa nti mo mu ha ma dwen ho ha ho kan na ndi ayo mu je di kwa mo nya ku na ma kan che doctor no na ma kan che no
open kese me da se no adwen chere next call Udini baby akasa free hello mpacho Udini baby akasa free
yeah
me pacho Udini baby akasa free my TV ne nkofo mo me pacho yanko
now for Udini man
me pacho yanko hello 05 hello ani die kwa so Udini baby akasa free hello me pacho Udini baby akasa free
hello
me pacho Udini baby akasa free
me kasa free asante atim kono
okay
kono na yes na mano anokuku
me pacho yanko
Unduma dia wudi no eso nipa nyame nhyira wo
amen
nyame nhyira wo pa unduma dia wudi no nyame ntu nkom mayen
amen
no dia me kan se yewo yake injini ndieko sebe wo fe ni yeko dia ba omia nyame de pejaro asigana kunya so nti die no ebisi hu bi papa biara ewo editi beso a sa pinje na to so bibi nyame nhyira wo no ntu nkom mayen
amen next call Udini baby akasa free hello me pacho from our TV volume no enko for mana atwe free hello ani die kwa so Udini baby akasa free
yo family ya me kasa from days
me pacho open kese wa dwen kire
hello
me pacho wa dwen kire yetie o
this magic say Ghana hadie o transfer if you can share with you from
okay
no so abe transfer ko transfer fi mo chobe ni ma bi branye se Ghana sika di pa bi
okay
na here you sure friends help ambulance ko sika na do amani bad ti o mo discount kaka o mo free no bi so transfer
yeah that's it last call any dey kwa so Udini baby akasa free hello me pacho any dey kwa so Udini baby akasa free me pacho Kofi mpacho wa dwen kire
me kasa free Accra
me pacho open Accra fine
Accra makache here
okay open kese any dey kwa so adwen kire
but imagine ten say that you between say your friend ha into top onko na obi an o Ghana obi an yeko sebi ko se we ntasu mpelu o mutu se yeke o ibi toti o mutu 2024 ya obi so monko se man bi kai o monko na man bi so ka se obi so ka se o wa de fa be ni fire ebi ni kwasi ketia
okay yemfa ba kon kan last caller any dey kwa so Udini baby akasa free hello last caller jina so a Udini baby akasa free
hello
me pacho any dey kwa so 30 seconds Udini baby akasa free
but I find point
me pacho Paul yankoi
me dem kan say omo kan bebe nyina ebi for ba santimema you know ba wa yaman
okay
you know ma yaman pa we mo pa kan dem ma me ntafa amba ba dem to kuma to kan nyina anye
yeah that's
me ko mama if for your fast e ko pem na you number 1 ya kwasi ko ga na me guwa
yeah that's it ebusuafo ani dey kwa so yentimi mfa ofrefo bia biom yeah the master magic the best global political show atum nyankopon enhyira mo pa ene eye adofo bi awoda na nanakua wo Kumase a very happy blissful birthday to you yes onyankopon se nanakua ontutu wanamo ensi baby ye omo ho ban e wa bra ho ma asem me pacho enye picture we wadaroma aha nanakua a very happy blissful birthday yes onyankopon se ontutu wanamo ensi baby ye omo ho ban e wa bra ho ma asem wakoma so ade a eye akoma so ade papa bia no nanakua onyankopon ema no emre mu emfa ma ewo enkunimdiem we so nana ama tachiwa oye ensemtro ni kumase na ubutu efiri oheneba prince k yeboa oheneba prince k yeboa wase nana ama tachiwa oman a very happy blissful birthday nana ama tachiwa oheneba prince k yeboa so nyankopon etutu anamo ensi baabie omo ho ban ewa bra ohoma asem akoma so ade yakoma so ade papa bia no nana ama tachiwa oheneba prince k yeboa ese onyankopon ema no mrem ewo enkunimdie mu emfa ma adom best aha ono say a very very happy blissful birthday etu onankasa ne doba ne nua na ade nyina oni ne ho agro aha eye obapa Patricia Ebu adom best champion producer was say a very happy blissful birthday to you onyankopon part entutu anamo ensi baabie omo ho ban ewa bra ho masem wakoma so ade a oba part yakoma so ade papa bia no eye champion producer adom best esi onyankopon ema no mrem ewo enkunimdie emfama na oheneba prince k yaboa ayefro no so nyankopon eya adoma on the 9th November ayefro no baso ewukumase ahodwo aboabo kese efri 12 p.m. edeko oheneba prince k yaboa and more fire esi nyina yemejane na one obapa patient osu ade omu nyina enka omho emom se ekunu ene eyire yemne no ko 30 seconds kamasan 30 seconds
yo me searchia honorable Eric Sibe ene jumapa woye odi edebu akwada sofo ene nana kwesi swamina Ojimai the second sefi akwasi krum for ehini mechia no baby bro
budo yanko
dia make nyina ne se
30 seconds yanko yamre na so
munyina monto aba ani GGA Ghana for manyama yura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia but number 1 with the 7 December monto aba na mano na fe so match am yakasa mi ne opoku mensa na ese say to mercy so recruitment award year ewo youth employment so ya dia ekoso pay
abusuafo
nyina no monto aba enfama
wonmonyamfo Albert Edusafo buto na oten nkan oti wonmonyamfo Komlan Kamasan enso enka wono ye NDC executive member kwada so abato ambassadors budo MPP communication team no be manyamfo yi wono so edimu ntintima heneba prince k yeboa oten nka champion producers champion famous na adom best